3. So what will you remember? How will you remember? Ma4 illa, Ma3b illa, Ma2b2 2, Ma2bc2, Madcd 3. So here we can solve the GI question within fraction of seconds. Now, hello everyone, how are you all? So I welcome you all to have fun with chemistry with your one and only favorite Nitya ma'am. So today we are going to study about geometrical isomerism for coordination number 4. One of the most complicated, little difficult, but yeah, we will study it in a very easy way and in a very fun way. Okay, let's get started. So before I proceed, let us know what is geometrical isomer. Okay, so geometrical isomer, now you just keep one word in your brain, that is same but different. What is the one word? Same but different. So what does it mean? Whenever I am saying GI, geometrical isomer, we will say same molecular formula. What we will say? Same molecular formula but different arrangement or different orientation. Tell me fast quickly, what do we mean by GI? Same molecular formula but a different orientation or different arrangement. Okay, that's why I called you same but different. Formula will be same, orientation will be different. So what can be the two orientation? So one can be cis and one can be trans. What are the two orientation? One is cis and one is trans. When I will say cis, whenever I am saying cis, na, you say that, you remember this, cis-like togetherness, cis-like togetherness, okay. And whenever I am talking about trans, what I will say that trans-like distance. What we will say? Trans-like distance. So what is the two keyword? Tell me fast quickly. Cis-like togetherness, trans-like distance. Cis-like togetherness, trans-like distance. So cis-like togetherness means same atom will be together, same side. And trans means same atom will be on opposite side. As we are talking about coordination number 4, so we are talking about 4 ligands. Let's see. Let's say this is our central atom. Okay. So what I am saying, cis like togetherness. So same will be together on the same side. Can you see the same atoms are together, cis like togetherness. So it is cis type. Okay. How we will analyze trans? What is the trick for trans? Trans like distance. So M. So one same ligand here. So as it like distance, can I flip it? Yeah, I can flip it. So this A will come here and this B will come here and this B is here. Now you see here, same like distance at what is the angle? 180 degree. When they are ulta, when they are opposite, we will say it is trans isomer. And when they are at same at 90 degree angle, then we will say that it is cis. So I hope it is clear what is GI and what are the two forms of GI. Okay. Okay, so now let us see about coordination number 4. Okay, so when I am talking about coordination number 4, so we should know that we have two types of geometry in case of coordination number 4. What are these two geometry? Yes, you are right. One is square planar, okay, and one is tetrahedral. One is square planar and one is tetrahedral. How does square planar look? Square planar, na? So in square planar, the coordination number 4, right? So how many ligands? 4 ligands. So in square planar, now one central metal will be in the center and the 4 ligands will be lying like this in a 4 corner. And the 4 ligands will be lying like this in a 4 corner. When we are talking about tetrahedral, now how they will be? Central metal in the center, okay, and like a tripod stand. Now you have seen tripod stand like that. The remaining 3 ligands will be here. Clear? So you remember square planar, na? Square planar is naughty, just like you. Square planar is naughty, just like you. Okay. So sometimes they will do friendship. Sometimes they will not do friendship. When they are doing friendship, na, they will like togetherness. They will remain stay. They will be together. And sometimes when they will fight, they will be opposite. That's what you do with your friend, right? When you are happy, when you are enjoying, you will stay together, same side. And whenever there is a fight, then you will become anti, ulta, opposite, right? So square planar is just like you, just like your friendship, very naughty, okay? So when the same atoms, okay, when the same atoms are together, no, together in the sense same side, okay, or what can be the next case? Same atom after fight, what they will do? Same atom, they will be opposite side, na? Same atom, they will be opposite side. So when these same atoms are together, we call it as cis. What we call? Cis. So you remember, cis like togetherness, cis like togetherness. And when same atoms are opposite, we call it as trans, na? So trans like fighting, okay? So they will be opposite always, this side, that side, like that, okay? So whenever it is cis, na, how we can represent it? See here, this is our central metal atom, okay? Let's say A, B and B. Can you see here, same ligands are on the same side. The angle is 90 degree. This is our cis. This is our cis. Now let us see for trans. The same central metal atom A, here metal M, ligands 1A. Now I am trying to flip it. What I am going to do? Flip it. Let us flip it. So when I will flip, here we will get B, and here this B as it is, and this B will go up, A will come down. Now you see, same are on the opposite side. What is the angle? 180 degrees. So when they make 180 degree, we call them as trans isomer. When they are together, we call them as cis isomer. So remember only one word, cis like togetherness, trans like oppositeness. That's all, okay? Now let us take care about our tetrahedral also. It is lying in the corner. So this is you, okay? Now what about tetrahedral? I have told you tetrahedral is like me, single, classy, silent, rigid, okay? So tetrahedral have fixed angle. Tetrahedral have fixed angle. So they have fixed angle. Fixed angle how much? 109 degree and 5 minutes. Okay. So as they have fixed angle, now we cannot change the orientation. If we can't change the orientation, then no GI. Very simple. Okay. So what is the start point you have to remember? Yeah, Nitya ma'am, start point. Tell me fast quickly. That if square planar, GI possible. If tetrahedral, GI not possible. After that, you should be able to tell the reason. Now, let's move to the cases of the GI, who will show and who will not show. Okay. So, then again, we will have two cases. Okay. So, as we have two types of ligands, right? We have monodentate ligand, right? Monodentate means they have one donor atom. Okay. Next, we have bidentate ligand. Bidentate ligand means we have two donor atom. In bidentate, now again we have two types. Okay. What are these two types? Symmetrical bidentate ligand and unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. Symmetrical and unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. Okay, so you remember monodentate, now I will represent by small alphabets. I will represent by small letters. Okay, small alphabets like A, B, C, D, like that. Okay, and bidentate, now I will represent by capital letters. I will represent by capital letters, and symmetrical, now I will represent by same capital letter, and unsymmetrical I will represent by one, like two different capital letters. So these representations are very important. If you know the representation, then only you can understand, and then only you can solve the question. Okay. So in case of monodentate, what are the cases we have? M. Now we have coordination number 4. Coordination number 4 means 4 ligand, and it is monodentate, so small letter. So MA4. Second case will be M. Let us change one ligand. So MA3B. Next, what I can say? MA2B2. Very good. Fourth case, what I can say? MA2B2. We will change B and C. Fifth case, what I can say, I can change this A to also A, B, C, D. So how many cases are there for monodentate? Ma4, Ma3b, Ma2, Ma2bc, Mabcd. Clear? Now let us see for bidentate ligand. Okay, so for bidentate ligand, what are the cases? The first case is M capital A 2 times, as it is coordination number 4. So bidentate, na, 2 donors are 2 into 2, 4. Coordination number will come. Next, after that, what I can say, I can take only one bidentate ligand and I can take two monodentate ligand, two same type of monodentate ligand. Any other possibility? Yeah, we have one more possibility. M. We can take our symmetrical bidentate ligand, and this B2 monodentate ligand I can change as BC. Okay, these are the three cases. What can be the next case for unsymmetrical? So for unsymmetrical, just tell me. Yeah, you can think now. So M, I can take A, B, 2. First type, right? Next type, what I can do, M, 1 unsymmetrical bidentate and two symmetrical unidentate ligand, okay, monodentate ligand. Then after that, what I can do, again one bidentate unsymmetrical and two monodentate different ligands. Okay, so these are the possible questions, these are the possible cases for our geometrical isomer in case of coordination number 4. Now let us study one by one each, and then after that, once I will explain you how to understand who will show GI, who will not show GI. After that, I will give you the trick. Definitely, I am famous for my tricks only, right? So within fraction of seconds, I will teach you how to solve question. Clear? Okay, let's see. So conceptual clarity is very important. So I will explain you through the concept, and then I will tell you at the end one star point, one trick point, and you can solve any question within fraction of second. See here. Okay, so what was the first case? M A4. Okay, if I am drawing the diagram, it will be A, A, A and A. Okay, like this. Now you tell me, if you are trying to, you will fix this. Okay, we will fix this and let us shift it. So when you will shift it, after shifting also, what you will see? After shifting also, what will you see? Again, A, same, no change, illa. When no change, then no GI. What we will say? It is waste, GI illa, no GI. Okay. After that, next. What is the next case? M A3B. Let us see for this. This is our M, and here we have A, and one A and one B. So I am trying to fix this AA same ligands, and I am going to switch it. So if you will switch it, now see here, you are seeing A and A on the same side and A and B ulta side. If you will switch it also, and then you see here what is the change we are going to observe. A, we will fix it, and B and A. So again, can you see again A same side and AB ulta side? Okay, right. So again you can see that both the structures are same, even though after flipping it, no change is there, change is there, right? No new structure. What I have told in the starting, same but different. Orientation should be different, both orientation same. So I will say this is also waste, na? GI illa, if it will not show any GI. Okay, so what is the next condition? M A2 B2 type. Okay, let us see here. Either we will get something new or not. M in the center, here A and here A, and then here we have B and here we have B. Okay, now you see here, let us flip it and check it. So either you can flip this side or you can flip this side. However, we are getting a new isomer. In that way, we will flip it. Let us see here. M, I'm keeping my A and then this B as it is. Now I'm flipping this downside. Okay, so I'm keeping B here and A here. Now you see in the first case, A and A same side. Same side means it is cis isomer. Very good. And here same ligand on the opposite side, 180 degree. means here it is trans. Are you able to understand? So same ligand on the same side, adjacent side, 90° means we will say that I have told you the trick na, cis like togetherness, together, cis isomer, and trans like the oppositeness, then it is trans isomer. So what I will say, A2B2 will show GI. How many possibilities? 2 GI is possible. Now let us see the next case. What was the next case? M A2 BC. Okay, so what can be the possibilities? M, here we have A and then B and then C. So here A and A are same side with respect to AA. So I can say it is our cis love togetherness. Next here M, can I switch this A this side and this C this side, okay, and then this B this side. So now I have made my A and A opposite with respect to A I am talking. So who loves oppositeness? Trans love oppositeness. So here also we have got our two types of GI, cis and trans. So I will say here also 2 GI possible. Here also I will say 2 GI possible. After that, what is the next case? The next case, M, A, B, C, D, right? M, A, B, C, D. Okay, now let us see here. So, M in the center, A, B, C, D. What are the possibilities? Here, A and D on the opposite side, right? What can be the next possibility? What I can do? I can keep my A as it is and I can switch this. So, D will come here and B and C. So with respect to A, now B is on 180°. With respect to A, D was at 180°. What can be the one more possibilities? I can switch this. I can make C opposite of A, right? The third possibility, one more possibility, I switch it. So C will come here. We will keep on flipping. We will keep on flipping until or unless we are getting different isomers. So here how many possibilities? Very good. 3 possibilities. So A, B, C, D. When all the ligands are different, how many GI? 3 GI. So here is the summary for monodentate ligand. Clear? Now I will tell you the trick within fraction of second. Okay, let us see here. So, what are the cases I have told you? So, do you think in JEE and NEET, do you have time that you will draw this much of a gundu structure and you will solve? No, we will use the trick. Okay, what's the trick here? MA4. Okay, we will make the pair. What we will do? We will make the pairing. Okay, and if the pairs are different, we will say GI present. If the pairs after shifting pairs are same, then we will say GI inlet. Let us see here. So, AA and AA. Can you do any other shifting arrangement? No, no shifting. So we'll say very bad. No GI. Then here M, A3, B. Okay. So I will say here A and then here A and B. Even though if you will shift this B here, so it will become AB and AA. And so both are same. GI, no GI. Next M, A2, B2 type. Okay. Let us see the pairing here. A, and you guys, I know you guys are very expert in making pairs. A, B, B. Now let us interchange A, B and A, B. So both are different. How many possibilities? 2 possibilities. So I will say this will show 2 GI. After that M, A2, BC. So here also let us check. Okay, so here we have AA. Another can be B and C. Next what I can do? So I can make AB. And then A here, A and C. Is there any other possibilities? No, only these are the possibilities, right? So here also, how many GIs are there? 2 GI. Our last case, M, A, B, C, D. Let us make the pair. One I can say A, B, C and D. Now next what I can do? A with C, A, C, B, D. Remaining. Third pair I can say A, D and B and C remaining. So how many possibilities? 3 possibilities, right? So how many GIs? 3. So what will you remember? How will you remember? MA4 illa, MA3B illa, Ma2B2 2, Ma2BC2, MABCD 3. So here we can solve the GI question within fraction of seconds. Now let us see geometrical isomer for coordination number 4. In which case? In which case? Bidental ligand. Very good. Bidental ligand is pending. Let us see for bidental ligand. I have told you two cases. One I have told you symmetrical bidentate ligand, and one I have told you unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. So when I'm talking about symmetrical, same, right? So no matter how much you will flip, here also same atom, here also same atom, because they are symmetrical. Both sides same donor atom. Are you able to understand? So no matter, well, let's say ethane 1 comma diamine, so N and upside and downside up. Here also upside and downside up. Even though you are flipping and same and opposite. So symmetrical isomer will never show GI. What is the reason? Because they are symmetrical. After changing, after shifting, we will not get any change. We will not get any different structure. We will not get any different isomer. Let us see here. So what was the cases? MAA2, MAA B2, MAABC. So in case of symmetrical ligand, we will never ever get GI. What is the example for symmetrical ligand? EN. EN is the example for symmetrical ligand. Wherever you will see EN, take it at GIL, right? Okay, now we will see for unsymmetrical ligand. What is the example for unsymmetrical ligand? GLY. Okay, let us check for unsymmetrical ligand. Okay, so MAB 2 times, then MAB B2, then MAB, and then BC. So when I am talking about unsymmetrical ligand, let's say for example, in one case the donor is A and in one case the donor is B. So when you will switch it, so one time AA, same cis. One time when you will switch, A will become opposite to B. Are you able to understand? One time A and A same, one time A and A opposite. When we are switching the unsymmetrical ligand, with the diagram, with example, I will show you. So in that case, I will say that it will show GI. Yes, you are right. So it will show GI. When I am talking about same, so I have fixed my A here and B here. I have fixed my A here and B here, and then BB. Are you change as much? Both side B is coming, na? So no GI, right? So when this is same, I will say no GI. Now let us see here AB and BC. So here this A and B. So one time A will be to B and one time A will be ulta of B. So it will also show GI. In short, with the diagram, if I will show you MAB2. So M, okay. Let's say for example, I'm just showing you A, B to show you the unsymmetrical. So bidentate ligand will make ring chelation. That's why I'm drawing like this AB. So what I can do, I can make it A and B, unsymmetrical ligand. So AA, same side, I can say it is cis. What I can do, when I will flip this, so it will become M, our A, B, and here when I'm flipping, this is our B and A. Now you see here, A and A have become opposite sides. So this is trans. Are you getting my point? Why unsymmetrical ligand will show the GI? But when we were talking about symmetrical means what? AA, na? So you switch as much as you want. Let us see here. Let us switch here. M, A, M, A, and A for symmetrical. Switch it, no? As much as you want. No, like there is no effect, right? We will not get any kind of difference, no orientation, no change in orientation. So we'll say bidentate symmetrical GI. Bidentate unsymmetrical GI irukku, but only in which cases? Two cases. When AB twice is there, and what was the next case? The next case was M, AB, and let's say B2. So when B2 was there, you can now understand by your own A, B, and here B and B. You switch na. Here also A, B. When you will switch again A, B, right? So it will not show GI. That's why it was not showing any GI. Okay. What was the last case? Last condition M, A, B, B, C. So M, here we have A and here we have B, and this is B and C. With respect to A, now C is ulta. Let's say for example, I can say it is trans. Now what I am going to do, I am going to flip it. So with respect to C, now C will come here and B will come here. So A and C, now here it was trans, now here it is same side, cis. So here we have finished the conceptual clarity, okay, in case of geometrical isomer for coordination number 4. Let's do a quick revision, whatever we have discussed till now, and after that we will solve all the question within fraction of second. See. Okay, so this was our summary chart. Now, just revise with me. Quickly learn here itself. After that, you can solve any type of NEET, JEE, board, whatever it is there. Just solve it. Okay, let us see. MA4, same. GIL, A3B, no orientation, no change. GIL, A2B2, how many? 2. A2BC, yes, 2. And ABCD, when all were different, 3 GI. All entire explanation I have given to you, right? Okay, after that, same, symmetrical, no GI. Anna, there is no GI for symmetrical. No unsymmetrical, it will show GI. Okay, but same, na, no change, no GI, but BC, yeah, different. It was also showing GI. So the summary of entire 30 minutes of lecture I have given you in within 1 minute, right? So I hope you can solve any question for geometrical isomer. Let us check either you are able to solve or not. So PT NH3 2 Cl2. So 2 2. So it is Ma2 B2. Yeah, it will show GI. How many? 2. Directly we can solve. A B C D. It is A B C D type. How many GI? 3 GI. Very good. It is Ma4. All same. No GI. Here it is Ma3B, no GI. Very good. Easy or not? Within fraction of second. These all are NEET and JEE questions. Within fraction of second, you are able to solve. Okay. Now let us see some bidentate example. So En means symmetrical bidentate ligand. Symmetrical bidentate ligand GIL. GLY unsymmetrical. Yeah, it will show GI. So I hope you have enjoyed the video, and by the end of the video, the geometrical isomer, all the concepts are clear. So that's my promise. You will be able to solve any type of question. Still, if you have any doubt, any clarity, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed the class, if you love the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.